I just wanted to share with you what I've been up to lately, and I have a few videos that I'll be releasing this month. I'm still going with a Halloween theme, and this is an art journal that I'll put a link to that shows you how to make this out of a old book, and how to make the jelly prints that I use for the signatures and how to put it all together. But I had made some tags, Halloween tags, last month, and I have videos how to make them, and I put a link to that in the description of this video. But I kind of wanted to add them to my journal, and I picked a couple of pages that had kind of an orange jelly print on them, and I made these pockets. So one of the tutorials for this month will be how to make the pockets in your journal, and this could be an art journal or a junk journal. And the other thing that I did was I had made some pretty little envelopes. So I'm going to also give you a tutorial on how I made these little envelopes, and these can be tucked into your art journal, or your, this is another one that I made, and you can kind of tuck it on a page and just use a clip to hold it on, or and this has a little card that comes out, and you can add little writings to it or draw a little picture on it, and had a lot of fun doing this. So I started out with playing with wax seals. So that's going to be the first video that you're going to see this month, is how I unboxed the seals and just played with that. And then I kind of added that to my pockets and also to my envelopes as a nice little embellishment. So I hope you'll, if you'd like to see my videos and keep posted on what tutorials I'm releasing as I do it, just subscribe to my channel if you wish. And I thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye now.